Well guys, another video update on the Fiero. What we got going on here is did some driving, figured a few things out. It blew the radiator hose. Didn't overheat it, blew in my driveway. Just got the new one in today. Show you guys a quick video on the nice break in the lower radiator hose from the water pump to the passenger side coolant tube. Not only there was a few other issues that I figured were going to happen. I had a grounding issue in the trunk area, motor area, engine compartment. Fixed that. That took care of that. I had a faulty map sensor, faulty coolant temp sensor. Just age caught up to it. I ended up replacing the rear stabilizer bar or tie rod. That was done today. This car, I'll keep doing videos on it. I've owned it for almost 2 years, and anything that goes on with it, I'll let you guys know. But here, let me get that hose for you guys 1 second. Here you guys go. That's what happened. Split it. I got really lucky that this happened in my driveway. That was after I got the ground issue fixed, and I did replace the O2 sensor. These cars aren't really that hard to work on. Just take your time and get it done. Final thoughts on this. I hope that I have no more issues with it, but it's an 85. I'm gonna run into problems, and I'll deal with them as they come. That's what you do with older vehicles, and especially oddities like these Fieros.